Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get circle glasses in Blockman Go. First, launch the Blockman Go application and ensure you are logged into your account. From the main lobby, you will need to find the avatar customization section. This is typically accessible through an icon representing a character or a wardrobe. Have your G-cubes ready, as these glasses usually require a small purchase. Once in the customization menu, look for the Accessories tab, which often includes headwear and eyewear. Scroll through the available items until you spot the circle glasses. They are usually clearly labeled. The cost is typically around 150 G-cubes, but prices can vary slightly. Select the item and confirm your purchase to add them to your inventory. After your purchase, head over to your inventory or the avatar equipment screen. You'll find the circle glasses listed among your newly acquired items. Simply tap or click on them to equip them onto your character. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the customization menu to ensure your stylish new look is applied across the game. Now that you have your circle glasses, try pairing them with various outfits to create unique looks. Blockman Go offers many clothing items that can perfectly match this accessory. Always keep an eye on the daily deals and special events within the game. You might find other cool items or even discounts on accessories. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.